This woman I know, she literally embarrassed me. She threw me under the bus. She did everything to publicly humiliate me. I'm that woman. I did that to myself. Posting on social media is a humiliation ritual, and I did a crash course on it in the last few days if you have been tuning in. You have seen me scared, you have seen me happy, you have seen me enthusiastic and excited, and you have seen me hopeful. You've seen everything in real time. It genuinely feels like I'm talking to a void right now. But I know it's just the beginning. मैंने बहुत सारे motivational quotes पढ़ लिए हैं. Today it is so easy to replicate anything using AI. But one thing about this space, there's not a single ounce of AI, not a single visual being AI, not a single emotion written, filtered through AI. It is all real. और ये चीज़ मुझे अभी तक रियलाइज भी नहीं होती कि मैंने इस पेज को इतना ऑथेंटिक रखा है फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग, फ्रॉम द लास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स दैट आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस. आई हैव केप्ट इट सो फकिंग ऑथेंटिक दैट इट स्केयर्स द लिविंग शिट आउट ऑफ मी बीइंग वल्नरेबल. बस मेरा नाम सर्च करो, आपको ये सारी चीज़ें दिख जाएंगी. इट्स स्कैरी to say the least. So when today I saw these AI videos, poets and singers being morphed into AI women made to look good and palatable for the Indian audience, and they're going viral and people are not even realizing it's AI, we are doomed. And I think that is exactly why a page like mine should exist, and exactly why I need to be showing up. You will see my pimples and you will see the unfiltered. That's what internet today deserves. AI का काम यही है, आपको polarize करके, आपको हाई एंड लो इमोशंस में ले जाके मस्त कंटेंट वायरल कर दो एंड देन अर्न फ्रॉम इट. दैट इज detrimental to our humanity as a society. It is detrimental to us, and young girls, as soon as downloading these apps at 13 or 14, exposed to this kind of world. I think a page like mine needs to take up space. Anyone who's watching this, be fucking authentic, because that's what will hold the society together. Show up with your so-called imperfections, the things that you are insecure about, because fuck it, you are insecure about it doesn't mean anyone else is noticing that insecurity. And that is the candid conversation for today, and I'll see you in the next